Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into CryptoZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.4 trillion. We're down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 42.9%. If we're looking at the overall markets, we are seeing green across the board, and as I have mentioned in my previous videos, a lot of analysts are calling this to be the start of the next leg up for the cryptocurrency market as a whole, and a lot of excitement is building around, and very exciting times ahead for the space. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than XRP. Guys, if we're looking at the XRP's price right now, XRP is currently trading at $1.59. It's down 3.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 2% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. XRP ranks on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko at the top 5th spot, and market cap right now is $73 billion and 24-hour trading volume is $12.5 billion. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for XRP, in just the last year alone, we are up a staggering 644.5%. In just the last 30 days, 44.6%. So everything is looking very, very nice for XRP. But let's dive deeper into the charts for XRP. So what exactly is XRP doing, guys? So let's chart this out and see. From yesterday's video that I made, we are seeing some small retracement, but nothing, nothing to panic about, in my opinion. We can see we are down just, we're down just 10% from yesterday's price. But guys, you guys have to keep in mind, I always say this over and over again, that nothing is going to go up straight forever in this market. There's always going to be these small retracements occurring because people do tend to take profits, because at the end of the day, people are here to make money. So, we cannot control these kind of small retracement, and these retracements are very normal in cryptocurrencies. I know there's a lot of new money coming into the markets, and obviously a lot of new investors coming into the markets as well. Guys, nothing is going to go up straight forever in one single line. That is not sustainable at all. This always needs to be some sort of shakeout and consolidation to occur before we do see some newer highs. And we cannot control when people do tend to take profits. And if you guys don't know, Bitcoin is the king. Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire cryptocurrency markets. For instance, if Bitcoin were to take a 5 to 10% breather or a pullback, yes, the entire cryptocurrency markets, especially altcoins, will go down double digits, and we cannot control that at all. So if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key that you need to follow. And you do not want to be shaken out, because if it is well manipulated, then their number one goal is to shake out the weak hands, and you do not want to be shaken out. Perfect example is we saw the flash crash, for Bitcoin. XRP came down all the way to 88 cents. But since then, guys, we are, we have recovered, 79, so roughly 80% since then. So that's a perfect example right in front of you guys. But right now, XRP is looking very bullish, guys, and I believe it's just a matter of time before we smash past its all-time high of this year. Its actual all-time high, the actual all-time high for XRP was back in 2018, the previous bull cycle, at $3.40. And I believe, if we were to hear some sort of positive news come out, of this lawsuit that is going on against the SEC and Ripple, we are about to, smash past that all-time high. I'm very confident about that. If you guys have been following me on my channel for a while, I have been covering XRP for quite a while, and I said, guys, XRP community is very strong, and there's a lot of money on the sidelines right now waiting for some sort of announcements to be made for XRP. And I did say, you guys can go watch my old videos if you want to. I did say if some sort of positive news were to come out of this lawsuit, we will see a major spike for XRP, and XRP went through the roof, and that's exactly what happened. And a lot of people are anticipating and speculating that this lawsuit might actually get dropped, and if that happens, guys, XRP is gonna go through the roof. It's gonna go through the roof. If you guys don't know, there's a lot of altcoins. Like we are seeing, Bitcoin. We are seeing the overall crypto market momentum is very bullish. We're seeing a newer all-time highs left and right for altcoins, and there's one coin that has not hit an all-time high yet, and that is XRP. So, like I said, a lot of people are still on the sidelines. They're waiting as long as some sort of positive news comes out, which a lot of people are anticipating for it to be positive. XRP is going to go through the roof, and XRP community will be rewarded heavily, and they do deserve it 100%, because let me explain to you why they deserve it. Because they held through the FUD, they held through the panic. When there was so much panic around the markets, they held. And a lot of people were picking up some XRP back then when the actual crash happened, when the SEC lawsuit actually came out. A lot of people were picking up. So those people are being rewarded. If you guys believe in a project's vision, and you hold through the FUD, that it shows you like patience will reward you 100%, and XRP community is being rewarded very heavily. So as of now, I believe in just the next couple days, I would not be surprised as long as Bitcoin were to stay stagnant. I would not be surprised if we smash past its current all-time high of this year. We're only away 23.28%, guys. We just need a little bit more buying pressure to kick in, because the 24-hour trading volume is kind of low for a project like XRP. If we were to get some sort of spike like this, it's just a matter of time before we smash past its all-time high of this year and head towards the actual all-time high for XRP at the $3.40. So we should see some thing to play out like this for XRP in the immediate short term, but we're all waiting for some sort of good announcement to come out for this lawsuit that is going on for XRP. But overall, everything is looking very bullish for XRP. As you guys may know, the entire market is very bullish, and the entire market is seeing some newer highs in the market cap as well, and we will jump into the charts right now as well. But before I end this before we jump into the charts, I want to say let's look at the bearish scenario as well, because at the end of the day, we look at both the bearish scenario and the bullish scenario. I always keep it 100% here with you guys. I am not an ultra moon boy. We always have to keep the bearish scenario as well, because like I mentioned earlier, Bitcoin is a leading indicator of the market, and if it were to take a breather, which it can, it's very possible. If that were to happen, yes, XRP could have a downside as well. If let's say Bitcoin were to have a small retracement, I could see us go back down to this level. At that point 50, there's a strong level of support around this level. We could possibly fall first to this $1.38. If that's unable to hold, I would I believe we have a lot strong level of support around this $1.17 range. As you guys can see, very strong level of support, and I believe that will hold. But if we were to see flash crash happen like we saw back here, then yes, we could even fall further all the way down to that 89 cents. But as of now, I do not see that happen. As I mentioned, the overall crypto market momentum is very strong, and I do not see that happening. But we always gotta have we always have to keep this sort of pullback in mind. And you always, if you have too much money that you can afford to lose, either you take it out or have some sort of exit strategy in place. I cannot stress this enough. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. I'm just sharing some tips with you guys. But now let's jump into the overall crypto market cap. So right now we are sitting at $2.13 trillion market cap, and this is the all-time high. Like, as you guys I just want to point out to all the newcomers that are coming into the markets, you guys can see, guys, nothing goes up straight forever in the cryptocurrency markets. There's always going to be consolidation periods occurring, some sort of pullback before we do see some newer highs. In this year alone, we have seen 4 pullbacks, and let me show that to you guys. So at the beginning of this year, we saw this pullback. If we measure it all the way down, we saw it drop 27%, and then we went up. Then we started the leg up, and then we came down once again back in February. We saw the second retracement. We came down 27% again. and then we had another rally up, and then we had another retracement. You guys get the picture. We came down 15% this time, and then we had this leg up, and then we saw this flash crash just recently, a couple of days ago, and we came down 24%. So you guys are getting the picture, right, guys? You guys are getting the picture. Nothing goes up straight forever. There's always going to be these type of corrections in the markets. When we are in oversold territory, we do expect Bitcoin to have some sort of retracement to occur, and that's a very, very healthy, because nothing is going to go up straight forever. There's always going to be these type of cycles occurring during the bull market, and that is very, very healthy. So I just wanted to point this out to you guys, especially the newcomers, so you guys can get a better picture as to how the markets really work. And also, if we're looking at the Google Trends, guys, XRP, Google Trends are, on the downwards trend, but that is nothing to worry about. As I have mentioned, XRP community is very, very strong. If I have mentioned this over in my older videos, when I came new into the markets back in 2016, XRP was one of the first altcoins I did purchase, and it did me quite well back in the previous bull run. So I have nothing bad to say about XRP, and I want each and every one of the XRP community members to get wealthy off it. But at the end of the day, you guys have to have some sort of exit strategy in place, because nothing is going to go up straight forever. You always have to have some sort of strategy in mind, how to exit this market. Because you cannot be greedy as well. But XRP is a great project. They keep on delivering. They have a working product, and as soon as we hear some sort of good bullish announcement coming out of that lawsuit, I believe it's just a matter of time before XRP sees some newer highs, and I am very confident that it will. As I mentioned, there's a lot of huge big community that is very strong, and on top of that, we are seeing a lot of hype building up on XRP, not only from institutional side of the spectrum, but also celebrities, also some big influencers that are backing up XRP as well, with some big influencers, some celebrities, with millions and millions of people that follow them. So that brings a lot of exposure to the cryptocurrency market as well. So overall, everything is looking very nice for XRP. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see XRP going, being traded at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And smash the like button, because it really does help out my video, and it helps it push, to a wider audience. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you once again. And road to 20,000 subscribers. And stay safe out there, guys. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. But with that being said, guys, I think I will wrap up today's video around here. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.